Hey guys, I am back. It's time to do a p-test between the Oppo A3s versus the Vivo Y71, and it is a new budget phone from Vivo, and it is a new notch phone from Oppo. It is costing around $208, and this phone comes with a $190. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And first I am show you some internal specs. And Oppo A3s comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with 2GB RAM, and on the another hand Vivo Y71 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor with 2GB RAM. Let's see the budget phones from different companies, and you can see Oppo A3s is faster and Vivo Y71 is right behind, and you can see everything is closed up in the background. And first I am launching the phone dialer, some basic application. Phone dialer, here we go. And you can see Oppo A3s is faster. Launching the another system base like the settings, here we go. And you can see Oppo A3s is also faster. Launching calculator on both phones, here we go. And you can see the tiny bit faster on the Oppo A3s because this phone comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, and Oppo A3s is a much powerful internals as the Vivo Y71. Launching some games application. First we have the Subway Surfer, here we go. And you can see, and it is a 6.2 inch display and it is a 6-inch display, and I have to say the Vivo Y71 is much brighter than the Oppo A3s. And you can see Oppo A3s is faster. Let's launching another application like the Candy Crush, here we go. And I have to say I don't like the notch. And you can see Oppo A3s is making the lead. Temper Run 2, here we go. And you can see from the back end, you can see dual cameras on the Oppo A3s and single camera on the Vivo Y71, and bottom is having this. And you can see this time the Vivo Y71 is faster than the Oppo A3s, and that is a good sign for the Y71. Last opening up the application, we have the camera, here we go. And you can see the Oppo A3s is faster. I have launched the front camera on the Oppo A3s for some reasons. Let's launch the internet browser on both phones. Vivo internet browser versus a Oppo internet browser. Let's launching the website wikipedia.org, here we go. I have launched in the internet browser on both phones and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see I think that was about the same on both phones. And you can see very smooth on both phones. I think some lags on the Vivo Y71. Launching the another website apple.com, here we go. And you can see, and let's see who is faster. And you can see Vivo Y71 is faster and Oppo A3s is still taking some time, and now it is done. Let's see the RAM management. Let's see the important part of this video, launching the phone dialer. And you can see no refresh on both phones. Settings, and you can see again, and you can see refresh on the Y71, and launching the calculator, and refresh on the Oppo A3s. Some reason it is not opened. Some games, and you can see refresh on the Y71. I have expected to see this phone is better in RAM management. Launching the Candy Crush, and refresh on the Oppo A3s, last opening up the internet browser on both phones. Temperanto and refresh on the Oppo A3s, but the Vivo one is very good in RAM management compared to the Oppo A3s. And you can see refresh on the Oppo A3s. So overall I have to say both phones are having a same performance, and RAM management is better on the Vivo Y71. And this video is sponsored by the Apple mobile shop in Borivali. It is very good shop for use and old phones for you in Borivali. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between the Vivo Y71 versus the Oppo A3s, and let me know in the comment section below. And do you like my video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel for future videos. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.